Replacing a damaged or missing mirror in your A-body coupe can be challenging if you don't know what you're looking for. Fortunately, we've put together detailed kits designed to have everything you need to install a new mirror. Hey, I'm Dennis and welcome back to our OPGI product feature powered by Resto Parts, Original Parts Group's in-house brand. Today we're going to be looking at a 1964 through 67 GM A-body coupe rearview mirror kits. These mirror kits come with the correct mirror support bracket, mirror mounting screw, and rearview mirror. They're also available with a black or gray trim per your preference, just like the originals. The mirrors are manufactured from die-cast metal at 10 1/8 inch in length. They also include the day and night feature to help you see lights better at nighttime, as well as a stiff ball joint to adjust the mirror width. Our brackets are made from die-cast zinc and include all the correct contours and mounting holes. At the end of production, they're finished with a beautiful chrome plating. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product features and updates. For more information on these and other great products, please visit us at opgi.com. Call us today or use our fast, convenient website. Buy direct with Original Parts Group and enjoy the benefits of shopping with the recognized leader in the industry with decades of experience, the highest in-stock ratio, a helpful and knowledgeable sales staff, and fast professional shipping.